Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we're going to be featuring DockATot Lounger products. The DockATot comes in two sizes, the Deluxe Plus for 0 to 8 months and the Grand for 9 to 36 plus months. The DockATot offers a safe and comfortable place for your child to rest, play, do tummy time, and get diaper changes. They're ideal for co-sleeping. The DockATot is also lightweight and portable, making it great for travel. We also offer additional covers to help match your mood, room, and style. The DockATot is also Oeko-Tex Certified, meaning that any finishing applied to the fabric of the product is free of harmful chemicals, making it safe for your child's face, skin, and mouth to come in contact with. Structurally, the Deluxe Plus and the Grand are the same. The Grand is just larger. The Deluxe Plus is 29 inches with the buckle closed and 34 with it opened. The Grand is 48 inches long and does not have a buckle at the bottom, making it ideal for transitioning into bed when your little ones are ready. The rounded sides also help kids settle in more easily and reduce the risk of falling out of bed. Each part of the dock is machine washable with the exception of the mattress pad in the bottom of the dock, which needs to be hand washed. We don't recommend using bleach. Stain remover is the better option. In terms of drying your dock, it is better to lay flat to dry or hang dry. We don't recommend putting your dock in the dryer as it can cause unnecessary shrinkage. For more information, refer to the tag on your dock cover. The inner tube rarely needs to be washed. Shaking and ventilating are usually enough. If you do wash the inner tube, machine wash on cold inside a garment bag and use low heat. You can shake and fluff to redistribute the filling as necessary. Overall, the DockATot is a great product for keeping your kids safe and comfortable while they are growing, whether they're sleeping or playing. Thanks for watching. You can shop the DockATot or any other products on babycubby.com. We offer free shipping on orders of 25 or more. To learn more safety tips about the DockATot, you can look at this video. Like and subscribe and let us know what you want to see next time.